What's up gang, this is your boy Dragomir and this time I'm going to show you how to get this literal beast, the Pro Stock Camaro in Forza Horizon 5. Now this one is a super rare car. You cannot even auction snipe this. This is not available in auction, and for any luck you find one of these in the auction, that would be probably required 20 million credits, but I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. Yes, so step 1, you need to complete a festival playlist. Now I did here is the Summerfest festival playlist, and I've got like one car, and then I got the Horizon backstage pass. You don't actually have to do all of these challenges, you just have to do enough to get the 40 PTS points. Once you get the 40 points, you will be able to redeem the car and the Horizon backstage pass, the both of them. All right, now once you get the Horizon backstage pass, then you would have to go into this section, the buy and sell option here, and then the backstage shop. Just get into here and then press again, and there you go. All the exclusive cars in the Forza Horizon games, all cars are available here. Yes, now you can see there is a Mustang GT 2024, and now I'm going to claim this car here. I have also claimed the Mustang Dark Horse 2024, and I'm going to claim the Mustang GT now. I have already claimed the Pro Stock Camaro, you can see here, and once you claim a car here, you cannot get another one. So you can only claim only one car from the backstage shop, just once. So if you accidentally sell your car, you would not be able to get another one. Just have to press here, select it, and then yes. That's it guys. I have claimed my car. You get one backstage pass in every festival playlist, and the playlist gets renewed like every 7 days and 15 days, something like that. So you just have to wait for another one, and you get your backstage pass from here and do these challenges, then claim any car you like. Look at this beast. This is a true beast. It's just unreal, man. At this point, I don't even think this is a car anymore. It's a jet, a literal jet. Someone said flying.